Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel auto delivery on Amazon. If you've signed up for Subscribe and Save but no longer need those recurring deliveries, this tutorial will walk you through the cancellation process step by step. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Subscribe and Save items. This will take you to the section where all your recurring subscriptions are managed. Now, I don't currently have any active subscriptions on my account, but I'll guide you through the next steps as if you do. Once you're on the Subscribe and Save page, you'll see a list of all your active subscriptions. Look for the Subscriptions tab and click on it. This will display all the products you're currently receiving through auto delivery, making it easy to manage or cancel any of them. Next, find the product you want to stop receiving and click on the product image. This will open up the detailed page for that specific subscription, showing you all the information about your recurring order, including delivery frequency and pricing. On this page, you'll see an option that says Cancel Subscription. Go ahead and click on it. Amazon will now ask you to provide a reason for why you're canceling. This helps them understand customer behavior and improve their service. Select a reason that best fits your situation from the options provided. After you've selected your reason, the final step is to click Cancel My Subscription. This confirms your cancellation, and you'll no longer receive automatic deliveries of that item. Amazon may show you a confirmation message to verify that your subscription has been successfully canceled, so keep an eye out for that. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your auto delivery subscription on Amazon, giving you full control over what gets shipped to your door and when. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.